Welcome to the second video in our three-part series on project management for non-governmental organizations. In our first video, we defined project management and its relevance to NGOs, introduced key terms and definitions, and introduced you to the 5 phases of project management. In this video, we look closely at 2 specific phases of project management, the planning phase and the execution phase. We will discuss the elements of the work plan and building and leading the project team. The work plan. A major component of the planning phase is the development of the work plan. A work plan outlines the project goals and processes and breaks these down into small, achievable tasks. It helps identify the results to be achieved. A work plan should 1. Identify major tasks. 2. Organize the tasks into the most logical sequence. 3. Identify tasks that need to be assigned to various team members. 4. Identify the resources necessary to complete each task so a budget can be developed. 5. Communicate the work to be done in a way that team members understand their assigned jobs and responsibilities. And 6. Organize related tasks into logical sequence. The work plan can be divided into 3 steps. 1. The work breakdown structure, WBS. 2. Deciding and allocating resources. 3. Creation of a project schedule or the flow of project activities. Stage 1. Creating the WBS. The WBS is a tool used to divide work into smaller elements, ensuring that all major and minor activities are accounted for. The WBS can be developed by identifying all the activities defined by the project scope, listing and describing all tasks and identifying the sequence in which they are to be executed, assigning responsibility to the completion of the tasks, and establishing schedules and budgets to accomplish the work. Stage 2. Determine the required resources. The next step requires identifying the resources for each task to be accomplished. Resources may include people, materials, or money. To do this, you should list each task as outlined in the WBS. Think about all the required resources to accomplish the task and the effort needed for the task. Stage 3. Developing the project schedule. The project schedule is a detailed plan of major project phases, milestones, activities, tasks, and the planned start and end dates for each task, as well as the resources allocated to each task. To create the project schedule, 1. Determine the tasks to be placed in the schedule from the WBS. 2. Determine the relationships among the tasks. 3. Assign each task to a specific staff. 4. Estimate the amount of effort required for each task. 5. Assess project constraints and risks. 6. Place the schedule information into a chart. At the end of these processes, you can have a sample work plan like this. Project execution phase. Building and leading the team. Successful execution of projects requires a team of people committed to achieving common goals and producing high-quality results. An environment which encourages teamwork is critical. Project environments should have the following: clear goals and roles, open and effective communication, build trust, manage conflict in a constructive manner, encourage collaboration and problem solving, participation in decision making. To achieve the optimum project environment, the project manager needs important skills. These include conflict management, influencing, motivating, delegating, negotiating, team building. To keep the team motivated during execution, the project manager should also provide performance feedback, recognize progress and success, reward good performance, encourage and coach people to help them improve, Thank you for being with us in video 2. See you soon for video 3, where we discuss some techniques for monitoring and controlling and closing out the project.